Instant noodle is handy and easy to use, and I know if you're about to make a packet, you expect it's ready within minutes. But what if I told you that you can make it much more better in under 10 minutes only? Ready? Let's roll! Here we go, this is it. Instant noodle package. My one and only #1 hack to make a bit more healthy and fancy dish out of this mass-produced instant food is throw away the seasoning packet and use the noodles only. Just as easy like this. Okay, now we've got rid of the chemicals and it is time to cook something delicious using that noodles. At this point I would like to warn you all that this video is definitely not a guide to make a classic chow mein, it's only my idea on how to make instant noodles better. I like to start with the noodles, so I prepare it according to the package. It needs a few minutes of soaking in hot water, and until it gets ready I start to cut my veggies for this dish. And the freedom is yours. Choose your veggies wisely, or just take a look in your pantry, deep freezer or fridge like me and get what you like. Okay, as you can see my refrigerator is a complete mess, but hey, it's because this is my real refrigerator, not my empty YouTube cooking channel fridge like on other channels. I don't even have a separate fridge for that purpose, guys, to be honest. But anyway, I've got some carrots, celery, canned bamboo shoots, white cabbage, onions, and I also find some green beans in my freezer, so that's cool. I guess that's gonna be a colorful vegetarian Chinese style noodles. So what I like to do now is to peel and cut all of those into thin slices. I cut the onions lengthwise with the grain, the carrots into thin sheets, then into slices that you may like to call
Julienne.
I just cut the green beans in half and cut the cabbage as well into the same size with a mandolin if you have one. And well, the amount, you don't need that much. I make this dish enough to feed 2 and I use 2 packets of instant noodles, so I like to use maybe 2 handful of veggies roughly. I've decided to make a Chinese style dish, so I start with the all-time favorite and classic aromatic base. 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic and a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste. I like to heat my wok until smoky. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, the garlic and the ginger, stir it once and then throw in all the sliced veggies while applying high heat. This is basically a simple stir fry. And that's how it should be like. Very high heat, very quick cooking. I love this. Whenever I don't have that much time to cook, stir frying is always the ultimate option to make something delicious in just a few minutes. Alright, but my veggies are ready and the noodles are also done, so I rinse it and toss it together with the stir fry. I like to season it with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and around half teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice blend. Optionally, you can sprinkle in a teaspoon of MSG if you want to, then stir everything together thoroughly, turn off the gas and then pour in just a few drops of roasted sesame oil and your leveled up instant noodles are ready to serve. A nice big portion is a must. Yeah. At this point you can garnish it with some thinly sliced deep fried ginger, some chopped green onions, cilantro, roasted peanuts, or anything crunchy and fragrant that you like. I said it's not authentic, so once again the freedom is mine and the freedom is yours. I like to serve these stir-fry noodles with my face-melting hot sauce on the side and optionally some fresh veggies. And here you go. I made instant noodles much more better, I guess, using just some vegetables I found in my fridge and some basic Asian flavorings. So if you have a little bit more than 3 minutes, let's say maybe 10, you can definitely make this dish at home. But if you don't believe me, give it a try yourself. You won't regret.